Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video we are going to learn how to resize image for social media in GetStencil. First of all, open up preferred web browser and head over to getstencil.com and log in using your credentials. Upload image or open an existing design you like. To upload the image, go to the Uploads tab and click on this to upload it. You can also choose the background image from here. I have removed the template and added the background image. Now I have uploaded the image from my computer. Now on the small dots here, click and drag to resize by maintaining its aspect ratio. You can drag and resize any element as you need it to ensure the layout looks balanced and complete. Once your image looks perfect on the new size, click Save or Download to export it in the appropriate format. Your resized image is now ready for upload to your chosen social media platform. Following these steps will help you resize image for social media platform with ease in GetStencil. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.